really cute creatures. Don't you know that they're at many people's neighborhoods? Do you think that? It's true. A lot of squirrels have been happening to be in neighborhoods. Even birds. But this thing is mostly about squirrels. So, don't you see the little head peeking out? There's a squirrel house back there. And there's a squirrel right there. Can't you tell? Everybody can tell. There's the squirrels. Squirrels have sharp teeth. Did you ever know they can bite? I bet everybody knows that. But they don't need branches and stuff to climb stuff. They can climb trees. Isn't that mind-blowing? Like, if you just look carefully, you will find a squirrel. A very, very nice squirrel that you can see. That is a squirrel buffet where he can eat and have fun. Can't you tell? It looks like one. Let's see. Isn't that a nice squirrel? Yes. He's just standing still. But the video is not. Let's see if he moves. We're going to a different place. And now you're going to see more of the squirrel. Now here you're going to see more of the squirrel. You're going to see it closer up. That's the chow house over there. And let's listen and see. You can definitely see it through the window. Now, look. You can see it right through the window. It's right there. See it moving? Yeah, everybody sees it moving. Zoom in. Right there, you're going to see it moving. See that squirrel? It's eating from the buffet like it should. It's walking around and playing on the squirrel playground. See? It's kind of cute, isn't it? Squirrels drinking water and bird seed. They eat bird seed. Squirrels' activities. That humans can build stuff for squirrels, man-made. And he's going to go in that little house right there. See? He's just by it. I think he likes it. He's about to go in. See, he's getting all the crumbs out of it. No squirrel has ever gone in the chow house, but see you later, kids.